Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the Excel mobile app and locating the workbook you want to rename. Tap the file once to select it, then open the File menu using the three-dot icon or the file name header. Make sure you've saved edits and the file isn't currently open on another device. This prevents conflicts. Once done, look for the Rename or Details option in the menu. That's your entry point for changing the name safely without altering content. Now you'll perform the actual rename inside the app. Select Rename from the menu and tap the file name field. The keyboard appears so you can type the new name. Use clear names and avoid characters that mobile systems reject, such as slashes or asterisks. If the file is synced to OneDrive or Google Drive, the app updates the cloud copy automatically. Make sure synchronization completes. After typing, tap Save or Done to confirm. The app will close the edit and show the updated name. Finish by verifying the new name shows in Excel and, if applicable, in your cloud storage. Open the Files or Drive app to confirm sync status because sometimes the mobile app delays updates. If the rename fails, close Excel, reopen, and try again. Alternatively, rename the file from your Files or Cloud app. Make sure you have permission for shared files. If you don't, request edit rights. If something still goes wrong, revert to the original name and retry after checking connectivity and permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.